In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively cut, copy, and paste various elements in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone just getting started with Word, mastering these basic yet crucial functions can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you get the most out of your Word experience. First, open up your Microsoft Word file. This is where it all begins. You'll want to navigate to the document that contains the text, object, shape, or picture you want to work with. It's important to have your file open and ready so that you can easily identify the elements you wish to move or duplicate. Next, let's focus on cutting. Locate the text, object, shape, or picture you want to move elsewhere. By right-clicking on the desired element, a context menu will appear. From this menu, select Cut. This action removes the element from its current location and places it on your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Think of it as a temporary storage space, holding onto the element until you decide where to relocate it. It's particularly useful when reorganizing your document's layout since it allows you to efficiently move sections around. Now let's talk about copying. If there's a specific item you want to duplicate, right-click on the element to bring up the context menu again. This time, choose Copy. This keeps the original item in place while simultaneously placing a copy on your clipboard. It's an excellent way to replicate content without altering the original document. Once you've cut or copied your desired element, it's time to paste it. Navigate to the specific page or location within your document where you'd like to place your content. This could be a different section of your current document or even an entirely new document. Right-click in the location where you want the item to appear, and from the context menu, select Paste. Your item will now appear at the new location, either transferring it if you've used Cut or adding a duplicate if you copied it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to manipulate content within Microsoft Word efficiently. Mastery of cut, copy, and paste allows you to quickly rearrange parts of your document, making editing and formatting much less time-consuming. Remember, these functions are fundamental yet powerful, and mastering them can greatly improve your document management skills. You've now completed these essential steps, and your document should be organized just the way you want it. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. Whether crafting a report, essay, or any other Word document, these techniques will undoubtedly be valuable tools in your arsenal.